the last video, you guys saw us get this steering rack in here, but I think I might have made a little bit of a mistake when I made the tie rod ends, because my steering wheel should be pointed straight, and that tire's pointed straight, but this one's got a little bit of an issue. So somehow I must have made this side too short. So in this video, we're going to take this off, and we're going to try to get my steering set up a little more even. Now I understand it's just a sand rail, it drives out in the dunes, no big deal, but I don't think this alignment's going to work at all for that. I think we got to get it a little bit closer than this. So anyway, let's get going. Oh, well guys, what normally happens with my stuff is I fixed this part, but I made myself another problem. And the goal was we were just going to take this off and lengthen this one steering rod about an inch. And that was going to fix the problem, but it's not, because what we found out is my bracket right here is just a little bit too tall. And what's happening is this part right here is hitting the shock, so I can't get full turn out of the thing. So the plan is I'm going to cut these off. We're going to grind them down, and then I'm going to re-weld them flush to this bar, and that should drop the steering rack down far enough that it should clear this shock. So I thought it was going to be a little job that turned into a big job. So anyway, that's kind of the way my stuff goes. So anyway, I'm going to get started cutting these off, and we'll go from there, guys. Well, hey everybody, I know this is kind of a short video, but I ran out of welding wire, and you know, we live out in the country and it's kind of a drive to go in and get welding wire, so I will pick some up next time I'm in town. But anyway, I want to thank everybody. I've got over 170 subscribers. I never, ever thought I would have 170 subscribers, so I definitely want to thank all you guys, and just keep staying tuned. We're going to probably work on the Ninja Warrior a little bit. We've got to do the other side of the exhaust. We need to put a flywheel in it, and I think I'm going to put some inner tubes in the front tires on those sand tires, because they go flat really quick. But anyway, man, we are getting closer to going to the dunes. Anyway, this is going to be Sand Fill out. Be safe on the dunes. Bye.
What the hell?